Hi, I'm Nadia Dunn. Welcome to CCL. We're here at the White Label Expo in London's XL, and joining me is Jen from What3Words. Thanks so much for being here, Jen.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you. Now tell us a bit about the company and what you do.
Sure, so What3Words is essentially a really simple way to talk about location. So what we've done is map the entire world into 3 meter by 3 meter squares and given each 3 meter square a unique 3-word address. So what that is a random combination of words, and it means that it's a really easy way for people like you or I to talk about a very precise location.
It's a genius thing to do. I mean, and also the whole world. How did that even happen?
Well, I can tell you there's 57 trillion squares there, so that's a lot of 3-word addresses. And actually, our co-founder Chris, he actually came from the music industry, so was often going to venues and stadiums and dropping off kit and trying to find bands, and could never find the right location. So that might be the right entrance to the building. You know, he was often dealing with postcodes that would take him to random places. So that was essentially where the idea came from. And then since then, we're used in so many different applications around the world, whether that's emergency services, ride-hailing in taxis, and then obviously e-commerce and logistics, which is why we're here today.
Well, it's an amazing initiative. Do you know the 3 words of where we are?
I don't, but if I had the app on me, which I would encourage everyone to obviously download, and you can do this after, so we've got a free app which everyone can use, and that will let you know the 3-word address of where you are at any given point.
Excellent, and maybe when we come to do the edit, we will have that up as a graphic on the screen.
Fantastic.
Now tell us what it means to come to an event like this.
So coming to shows like this are really great. I think Facetime is something that we've missed as an organisation, obviously throughout the pandemic, and I think we've seen such a step change in our ability to meet with prospective partners, to really pursue new business opportunities, and also just spread awareness of What3Words. And I think it's so much easier to do that in person when we can have these kind of formal and informal conversations.
Yeah, of course. And have the last couple of years proved difficult for you guys?
I think if anything, we've probably just struggled to do things as quickly as we'd like a lot of organisations have. And I think, you know, like everyone, we were working from home. So I think being back in person makes such a difference. And I think to meet, especially when it comes to meeting with partners and clients, having that FaceTime is really great for us. And I think in particularly of the context of the show today, our business, like many, sort of pivoted during the pandemic. And I think in particular with the rise of e-commerce and how it became such an important part of everyone's lives, only kind of emphasised and made us realise how important What3Words could play in that kind of ecosystem and what we could bring.
Well, tell us more specifically how you're working with e-commerce and logistics companies.
So when it comes to e-commerce and logistics, essentially we're allowing customers to provide their 3-word address to ensure that their deliveries get to exactly where they need to be. So for retailers, that might be adding an optional field at checkout or on your accounts page, which allows customers to input their 3-word address. And then it's working with our carrier partners like Hermes, Aramex, who are here today, to ensure that they can take and then use a 3-word address to find that precise location.
So the networking here at the event is great for that.
Yeah, it's fantastic. I think, you know, we've had the opportunity to meet, like I said, with some of our existing partners now, and also just the chance to meet and work with a number of potential partners in the future, whether that's retailers. You know, we've met a lot of e-commerce leads today, which has been fantastic, and then also on the carrier side and also on the software side. You know, those third parties who are also involved in that ecosystem are hugely important to us.
Brilliant. And tell us about digital marketing and how that kind of helps expand the brand.
It's a big part. We've got a wonderful marketing team, and we do a lot of that work in-house. So we have a digital marketing team who are doing a lot of paid media, and we have a lot of paid media spend. Obviously, we're ultimately about driving people to the app, which is really important for us. And we have our website as well, which is great, and also our social media channels, where we do a lot of organic and paid content on there.
And what are your thoughts about CCL TV being here at the event?
It's great. I mean, I've had the chance to meet a number of the team. I think from a partnership perspective, it's interesting to talk to the team, and then also the chance to talk about our brand on this platform is a great opportunity. So really, really grateful.
Yeah, and hopefully we'll get to work with you more in the future, fingers crossed.
Yeah.
And good luck with the rest of the event.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.